Okay, now that we have transcribed our mRNA, it is out here, and there's a tRNA that's going to come and connect with this codon. They all have specific codons where they connect. It will come down and it's going to connect. Now what's going to happen is a ribosome is actually going to come over and clamp down on this. Since I don't have a means of removing the ribosome, imagine this clamping down onto this. So it's going to clamp down. This is the exit site. P site is where the tRNA will go. And it matches up with its codon AUG, which creates, if you look at the codon chart, AUG creates MET. So this will be. And then what will happen now is we have this open site waiting for another tRNA to come in. The tRNA that matches CUA will be GAU. Now, CUA, let's look at the codon chart. CUA, where is it? CUA, leucine. So, now what is going to happen is the ribosome is going to move down this chain. But since I don't have a means of moving the ribosome, I'm just going to move the other parts. So what's going to happen is this is going to jump over, this peptide is going to jump over and attach to this one. It's going to jump off of here, move over here onto this one, and it's going to enter the exit site. Now what's going to happen is it's all going to move down. So we'll have this here with MET and leucine, and then this is going to, the ribosome moves down. So as the ribosome moves down, we have an open site for another tRNA for AUG. What goes with AUG? UAC is going to come in here. And now what's going to happen is this exits. So we have another empty site. What's going to happen is, let's see, AUG. Looking for AUG. There it is. It's going to be another MET. And what's going to happen is, same thing. It's going to move down, and these bonds, this bond, it's going to connect. It's going to move down and keep moving down the chain. I'm going to show an example of this. So, now, these are going to move over. Sorry, it's hard to do. These are going to move over. This is going to go to the exit site. It's going to move over with our MET, leucine MET. It's creating a long polypeptide protein. Now, the ribosome, again, remember, it's moving down. Kind of like a train track in a way. UAG. Now, what goes with UAG? Would be AUC. And this keeps going all the way down. This is AUC. And then it keeps going, and it's gonna continue moving out. This will move down, this will move out, these will move over, create a long strand. It keeps moving down, so on and so forth as we go. Now, I'm just going to, for time purposes, we're going to pretend we're all the way at the end. And what happens is we've created a long tRNA with a bunch of different amino acids on the top. It keeps going, and then what happens is we enter the mRNA has this codon UAA. Well, there is no tRNA that can come in at this point. So at this point, the ribosome will open up and release the mRNA to go on, continue making more proteins, and this will be released to do its job, and it will coil into an enzyme or whatever form it needs to and move on. That is an example of translation.